One of the first decisions to make when selling on Amazon is how to get shoppers their stuff. As an Amazon seller, you have two options. You can do it yourself, maintaining your own inventory and shipping products to customers, or you can use Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, to have us take care of it. Fulfilling your own orders makes sense if you're selling a low volume of products, selling products with tighter margins, or want to ship with custom packaging. Basically, if you want more control over your inventory, it's a great choice. Programs are also available for you to list products with the Prime badge but still fulfill your own orders. If you'd like to offer Prime members the free 2-day shipping they love and leave the logistics to us, FBA is the way to go. Amazon has fulfillment centers all over the world. With FBA, you store your products on our shelves and we fulfill your orders, handling shipping, customer service, refunds, and returns. FBA makes sense if you're selling a large volume of products, selling products with higher margins, or just want a way to save time and scale your business. FBA also has programs for hazardous goods, oversized products, or smaller products with low price points. All of your FBA offers will be eligible for the Prime badge and have a better chance of winning the featured offer on product detail pages. Your fulfillment strategy will depend on your business goals, and many sellers use a mix of FBA and fulfilling their own orders. Whichever method you choose, you can switch anytime, finding the best way to offer fast, convenient delivery to shoppers around the world. Build your business with Amazon.